Hi, this is Momita Das. So today we are going to learn some important MCQs on the topic the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986. So this is part 1 and we will complete this with a part 2. So let's start. So the first question is right to education or free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years is given under which article of Constitution? So the answer will be Article 21A. Okay. So according to this, right to education should be given to every child between age of 6 to 14 years, or you can say free and compulsory education. Okay. So इस आर्टिकल में ये बताया गया है 21A में कि कोई भी चाइल्ड 6 to 14 years के बीच में हो उसे कंपल्सरी या फ्री एजुकेशन मिलना चाहिए. So it is given in Article 21A. So move to the next question. So the second question is prohibition of employment of children in factories or no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed in works in any factory or mine engaged in any other hazardous employment is given under which article of Constitution. So answer will be A, that is Article 24. So according to this article, there should be rather prohibition or restriction of a child who are considered between age of under the age of 14 years to work in any factory or mine, or if it is a hazardous work like it could be a dangerous or risky work, that should be restricted so that no child can work there. So remember from this, child under the Child and Labor Act 1986 are child are considered who are below the age of 14 years, whereas in Factories Act child are considered those are below 15 years. Okay. So according to the Child and Labor Act 1986, child are below 14 years, whereas adolescents are person who are say between 14 to 18 years. Okay, 14 to 18 years, whereas in Factories Act adolescents are between 15 to 18 years. So remember this one, this is a bit confusing. And according to this latest amendment that comes on 2016 regarding this Child and Labor Act, it says that no child can work in any establishment no matter whether it is hazardous or not. Okay. So जो 2016 अमेंडमेंट में आया है इसमें क्या बताया गया है कि कोई भी चाइल्ड जो कि 14 इयर्स के नीचे हो वो किसी भी जगह काम नहीं कर सकता है, वो हजार्डियस हो या ना हो. ओके. एंड इस आर्टिकल 24 में क्या बताया गया है कि कोई भी चाइल्ड जो 14 इयर्स के नीचे है वो किसी भी फैक्ट्री या माइन में काम नहीं कर सकता है या फिर किसी हजार्डियस जगह पे, रिस्की या डेंजरस जगह पे काम नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस चाइल्ड एंड लेबर एक्ट, ओके, चाइल्ड लेबर एक्ट 1986, एडोलेसेंस आर कंसिडर्ड, एडोलेसेंट यहाँ पे 14 से 18 के बीच में जो भी रहते हैं उसे एडोलेसेंट माना जाता है, एंड 14 के नीचे जो होता है उसे चाइल्ड माना जाता है. ओके. एंड फैक्ट्री एक्ट में 15 के नीचे जो होते हैं उसे चाइल्ड माना जाता है, और 15 से 18 के बीच में जो होते हैं एडोलेसेंट माना जाता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द फैक्ट्रीज एक्ट. So move to the next slide. So here says that I have given a note that the amendment permit employment of adolescents labor. So adolescents are those who are above 14 to 18. Okay. So latest amendment says that any child below the age of 14 years cannot work in anywhere. It could be a factories or mine, or whether it doesn't important whether it is hazardous or not, but the child cannot work in any place or any occupation. Okay, except if if they want to work as an artist, they can work in television, serials or entertainment, except the circus, because circus is again a hazardous or dangerous, or it could be risky, right? So move to the next question. So the third question is, the state shall in particular, one second, direct its policies towards securing the health and strength of workers, men and women, and tender age of children are not abused. So this is given under Article 39. Okay, so according to this Article 39, it says that no worker, men or children should be abused or misused because of their economic necessity, or their health and strength should not be misused. And this is given under Article 39. And for this, the state should make policy. Proper policy should be made by the state. Okay, so that no abuse is done to the health and strength of workers, children, men and women. Okay, so move to the next question. The name of the Child Labour Act has been changed to Child and Adolescent Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986, and the complete ban on employment of a child below the age of, that will be 14 years. So before, like 2016, before the latest amendment, child are allowed to work in any establishment except if it is a like hazardous one. Okay, or it is whether it is a factories or mines. So apart from this, child is allowed to work everywhere. But after 2016 onwards, there is a ban on employment of any child below the age of 14 years. So basically, adolescent person are allowed to work in establishment that is that should not be hazardous one, or that should not be of like mines or factories. Okay, so adolescent person are those person who are above 14 and below 18, right? So for between 14 to 18 are known as the adolescent person. So they are allowed to work in any establishment if it is not hazardous. Okay, so move to the next. An adolescent has been defined as a person between the age of, according to the act, as I already told you, it is 14 to 18 years. So adolescent are the person who are between 14 to 18 years, and below 14 years will be considered as a child. Okay, so move to the next slide. Okay, I already explained this one, like the amendment of 2016, the latest amendment permit employment of any adolescent worker. Okay, and except if it is a hazardous process. So if it is hazardous process, this as adolescent persons are not permitted to work there. Okay, but child are prohibited to work in any establishment or any occupation or any process, whether it is hazardous or not. Okay, so move to the next slide. The number of hazardous occupation and process has been reduced from 83 to, according to the latest amendment. So it will be 3. So according to the latest amendment that is done in 2016, I already told you. So the like in this amendment, it is said that, or like hazardous occupation has been reduced from 83 to like 3. And what are these 3 hazardous occupation? One is mining, another one is explosive or occupation mentioned in Factories Act. That one is third. Okay, so like अभी जो 2016 में जो amendment हुआ था उसमें like जो भी hazardous occupation है वो like reduce करके 83 से reduce करके 3 कर दिया गया है. and इस 3 में क्या क्या आ जाता है, like माइनिंग आ जाता है एक, देन एक्सप्लॉसिव वर्क आ जाता है हजार्डियस में, एक्सप्लॉसिव वर्क आ जाएगा सेकेंड में, एक्सप्लॉसिव, ओके, फर्स्ट में माइनिंग आ जाएगा, राइट, माइनिंग, एंड थर्ड में आ जाएगा ऑक्यूपेशन मेंशन इन फैक्ट्रीज एक्ट, राइट, जो भी फैक्ट्रीज एक्ट में जो भी ऑक्यूपेशंस मेंशन है, सो दैट विल बी आल्सो कंसीडर्ड एज अ hazardous, ओके। सो बेसिकली फैक्ट्रीज में कोई भी एडोलेसेंस पर्सन काम नहीं कर सकता है, राइट, वन सेकेंड, इट विल बी F, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस कहाँ पे काम नहीं कर सकते हैं एडोलेसेंस पर्सन, लाइक कुछ भी एक्सप्लॉसिव वर्क हो वहां पे काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, माइनिंग जहाँ पे होता है वहां पे काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, ओके। सो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट, which fund will have provided under the Child Labor Act of rehabilitation of a children and adolescents who has been victim under the prohibition of a child labor act. So it will be rehabilitation fund. So remember, like if any child is victim under this act, okay, so they will provide it a fund, and this fund is called as a rehabilitation fund, rehabilitation fund, and this is generally, one second, so this is generally 15,000, okay, rupees 15,000 per month per child, okay। अगर कोई चाइल्ड, अगर इसमें इस एक्ट के अनुसार उससे लाइक वो विक्टिम हो, ओके, सो उससे क्या होता है, उसे रिहैबिलिटेशन, उसे एक फंड मिलता है, उसे क्या कहा जाता है, रिहैबिलिटेशन फंड, राइट, और उसे 15,000 मिलता है हर मंथ एज अ लाइक rehabilitation fund to each and every child per month who is a victim under this Child and Labor Act. 15,000 it will be, okay. So move to the next question. The Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Amendment Act come to effect from. So the new amendment that I already told you, it come to effect on 2016. But which month? This is on July 30, 2016. So remember, July 30, 2016, Child and Labor Amendment Act come to effect. Okay, so move to the next question. The Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 extends to, it will be whole of India including Jammu and Kashmir. So basically it extends to whole of India. Okay, the Child and Labor Act 1986. So move to the question. Who are considered as a child under the Child and Adolescent Labor Act 1986? So I already told you they are below 14 years, right? So move to the next question. No child shall be employed or permitted to work in any occupation set forth in which part of the schedule of the Child and Adolescent Labor Act 1986. So remember, if this says occupation, it will always part A, whereas if this says that no child are are not allowed to or permitted to work in any process, then it will be part B. Okay, so part B will for process. So remember, this is very important. It has been asked in UGC net. So it will be part B for process, where while like, one second, it will be process. Occupation is for part A. So no child will be allowed to work in, or any occupation no child will be allowed to work. So it will comes under part A. The Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 is renamed as. So after 2016, this Child Labor Act 1986 is renamed as a Child and Adolescents Labor Act 1986. So remember this one. Okay. So this time after 2016 onwards, so adolescents are given, or you can see that adolescents are given more importance, right? Because they say that after 2016 that no child can are like prohibited, all child are prohibited to work in any establishment, whether it is hazardous or not. Okay, so after 2016 onwards, adolescents are like more considered under this act. Okay, so move to the next slide. No child shall be employed or permitted to work in any workshop wherein any of the process set forth in which part of the schedule of this act. So as I already told you that if it says process, it will be always part B. So no child should be allowed to work or permitted to work in any workshop wherein any of the process set forth. Okay. So move to the next question. What are considered as a family under the Child and Adolescent Labor Act 1986? Okay, so according to this act, the Child and Adolescent Labor Act 1986, what this family consists of? Okay, so it generally consists of child, his parents, child brothers and sisters, and parents brother and sisters. Okay, so answer A will be correct. सो चाइल्ड एंड लेबर एक्ट 1986 के अनुसार फैमिली किसे माना गया है? ओके, सो फैमिली लाइक कोई भी चाइल्ड जो काम करते हैं अंडर दिस एक्ट, वो उसके पेरेंट्स, ओके, एंड उस चाइल्ड के ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स एंड पेरेंट्स, like whether it is a mother, like mother or father, their brothers and sisters is also considered as a family under this act. Okay, so answer A will be correct. So move to the next question is, what means establishment on this act? So see, the first option includes the shop, commercial establishment, workshops, from residential hotel, restaurant, eating house, theater, or other place of public amusement or entertainment. So answer A will be correct. So according to this act, establishment, what is establishment? Establishment is any place, or like it could be a shop, it could be a commercial establishment, it could be a workshop. You can see like any adolescent or child can work in any commercial establishment. We can find any like adolescent person to work in any shop, or you can see workshops also, you can find adolescent person working there. Eating houses also, you can find adolescent person working in theater, it could be in restaurant, it could be a farm residential hotel, it could be a public amusement or entertainment. So according to this act, establishment are these places where this kind like adolescents, where this adolescents are working. Okay, so you can remember this way. So यहाँ पे पूछा गया है कि according to this act, like चाइल्ड एंड लेबर एक्ट 1986 के अनुसार कौन कौन एस्टेब्लिशमेंट है, कौन कौन सा एस्टेब्लिशमेंट है? सो शॉप्स भी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट आ जाता है, क्योंकि शॉप्स में तो चाइल्ड और एडोलेसेंट पर्सन को काम करते हुए हम लोग देखते हैं, कमर्शियल प्लेस में भी हम लोग देखते हैं, वर्कशॉप में भी देखते हैं. इट इज जनरली एक्चुअली दिस एक्ट कंसिडर्ड रिगार्डिंग एवरीथिंग of a child, how child and adolescence, right? So ये generally इस establishment में child या adolescents काम करते, right? So ये सब like establishment में आ जाएगा. Okay, restaurant, eating house, theater, public amusement or entertainment. So that's all for today's class. If you like my class, press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel and press the notifying button to get more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.